ez'amaanyi.
Hata bendi pia wameiba vyema, washangilie.
And I love you all because God loves you.
Era mwenna mbaagala nnyo kubanga Mukama abaagala.
Nawapenda kwa kuwa Mungu anawapenda.
Today is a day of a great joy for us.
Lelo lunaku lwa ssanyu eri ffenna abakuŋŋaanye wano eno.
Leo ni siku ya furaha kuu mbele yetu.
Today we celebrate the mighty deeds of God has done among us.
Olunaku lwe tujaguza eby'amaanyi Mukama by'atukoledde.
Leo tunasherehekea matendo makuu aliyotutendea Mungu.
And a day when God's glory is revealed before our eyes.
Era n'olwaleero tugamba ekitiibwa kya Mukama kyoleseddwa mu maaso gaffe.
Siku ambayo utukufu wa Mungu umefunuliwa kwenye macho yetu.
And we thank God for the opening of the UVM seminary.
Yimusa omukono okubira Mukama engalo ez'amaanyi atuwadde ettendekero ly'amaanyi.
Kwenye kufungua seminari yetu leo.
We also thank God for many pastors and church leaders from different East African nations.
Era wamu tukubire n'abasumba